Right, here we have the D-Link home smoke detector, which I bought sort of as a bit of a mistake. I should have done my research, but hopefully this video, if you guys are watching this, you will know not to make the same mistake, because on the website that I bought it from, there was no mention of the fact that you needed the hub. As far as I was concerned, and the website was concerned, you just connect it to your Wi-Fi, which apparently, no. Although I've not got into the box and read anything yet, the fact that it says requires connected home hub, and it also says it there, probably means I'm up the creek without a paddle at the moment. I have, however, gone and spent even more to get this stupid hub, which I should have just got Nest smoke alarms for the amount that this has cost it in the end. I might just as well have got all of that stuff, but nonetheless, I've got my foot in the pool now, so I may as well continue. Just going to see what's in the box. I can't imagine it's anything too spectacular. I really should get a knife for this. That's decent. And specifically for this purpose. See, I've just cut that and it's still not open. There we go. What does that mean? Nothing else in that box. But here we are with this box. God, that's ugly. It seems to be very massive as well. I know this has more going on with it, but that, look at that. What's that all about? What's that for too? Peel off the protective cover. This goes on here somewhere. Like that. That's going to hang off the ceiling quite some way. And the smoke alarm I've got now, which is connected to my home alarm, I'd say the whole thing of that is only that thickness, without all the extra. Oh. There's a special little battery compartment thing there. For some bizarre reason it pushes it really pingy. Ba-doing. So, does that mean you can't close it with that? Really? You can't close it without battery being in there. Once you pop, you really can't do anything about it. Right, that's stupid. Let's continue. I keep getting lots of emails. Get that out of the way. Let's see what's in this box. A battery, some instructions. Oh good God. They couldn't just use any normal battery. I've put off having these batteries for so many years because I used to own a torch. Probably 5 years ago, something like that. and they used to use these CR123As, and back then they cost a fortune. And for a torch which uses up batteries quite often, I better not put that in there until I've read the instructions. It might break it. Probably not, but you never know. But as I was saying, using those in a torch, they run out quite quickly and cost a fortune at the time. I don't know about these days, it's not something I've gone for, but I see no reason why this could not have used AA's or AAA's like any normal, or even a square, a 9-volt square. This is only 3 volts, so a couple of AA's maybe, or something like that. Especially for the size of it. Shush! Oh, I'm supposed to replace this in 2025. No, actually that's wrong. They've got their date the wrong way round. What a blooming con. This was made in October 2016. It's already May of 2017. So in accordance to this, you're supposed to replace it every 5 years after the date of manufacture. So I'm getting less than 5 years out of it. Seems a bit of a con. Right, there we go anyway. There's your what's in that box. Warranty stuff. This is where it tells me I don't need the other stuff. How much time have I got? Not long, so I better make this quick. Just says to stick it where you want it. Connect the hub, open the app, add, and scan that. Which I'll have to probably block out. Right, that was exciting. There's our D-Link smoke alarm. Thanks for watching, hit subscribe, thumbs up, all the good stuff, and see you next time.